All right, chapter 6, we are moving on to polygons. So far we've been dealing with triangles, parallel lines, perpendicular lines, stuff like that. Okay, so now we're moving on to polygons. Can anybody tell me what a polygon is?
Five-sided shape.
Can be five-sided shape, okay. Really anything four-sided and up. Okay. What restrictions does a polygon have? What makes a polygon a polygon? Has to be closed. Has to have straight lines. Okay, what else?
Has to have more than four sides.
4 or more.
So only A.
What else?
Does it have to be like funky like those are? Like where it is like
It doesn't have to be funky. Nope.
polygon can be any. Okay. Triangle.
Missing something. So we said it has to have straight lines. Has to be closed,
There has to be
not sides.
vertical.
You're close. Angles. All the angles add up to what? 360. What was it in a triangle? 180, okay? All polygons, no matter how many sides they have, is always 360. Okay? Do you think polygons can have intersecting lines?
No.
No, okay? They cannot intersect. Can they be weird looking shapes?
Yes.
Yes.
That's almost.
Okay, they do not have to be perfect shapes. Okay? So, on A, I know the answers are there for you, but let's walk through these. On A, is that a polygon, yes or no?
Yes.
Why do you say yes? It's connected, it's closed, it's straight lines. Okay? What about B?
No.
Why not?
Curved line.
Yep, it has that one curved line that ruins it all. Okay? What about C?
No.
No, why not?
It's got that open line.
Closed.
Yep, it has that open area. And then D, what about D?
Yes.
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 So as long as it's not curved and it's closed, it's good. It's a polygon.
Yes. Yes.
Well, I kind of figured that one.
Okay, let's move on to more examples. What about A?
Yes.
A, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, why yes? Yep. What name could we give this?
Wrong.
How do we name polygons? What? What'd you say? Gabe, what'd you say? Okay, bring our voices down, please. It is by the number of sides. Okay? We name polygons based off the number of sides that they have. So this one has 4 sides, so it would be a quadrilateral. Okay? B, yes or no? Polygon? No, why not? Has those curved edges. Okay, what about C? Yes. What name could we give that? How many sides does it have?
5.
Has 5 sides, so what could we name it?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Yep. D, why no, Gabe? Right, this intersection ruins it, okay? Polygons cannot intersect. Any questions on polygons so far? Okay. Go ahead and try these 4. I'll give you 30 seconds. Say yes, no, and then say what type it is. 1, yes or no? No, why not? What breaks it? It's open. What about number 2? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is a pentagon. Doesn't matter if it looks funky, right? As long as it has straight lines and closed and no intersections. What about 3? Yes. What's that? Yep, has 4 sides. What about number 4? No, why not?
It's only got 2 sides.
What?
It's only got 2 sides.
And it has that curved line, right? Questions over identifying and classifying polygons. Okay, last thing you remember, what do all angles in a polygon add up to? 360, okay? Triangles were what? 180, okay? So if we're looking for this missing angle, so I'm just looking at 5 for now, how would I find that missing angle?
Add them minus 360.
Yep, I'm going to add all of the ones that are given to me together. So I have 110 plus 100 plus 60. What do we get for that?
271.
270. What do we get once we get that number? Yep, we're going to take 360 minus that 270. And what do we get for that? 90. Okay, so add them all together. Subtract from 360. Okay. Go ahead and try those last two on your own, and then we'll finish doing them together. So on 6, how do you find the missing angle? What do you do first?
Add them all up.
Add up all the sides that are given to you. So we have 55 plus 80 plus 160. What do you get? 240.
290.
I think it is 290.
It's 290.
What do you get, or what do you do after that? Sorry.
360 minus 290.
360 minus 290. What do you get?
50.
Yes. Okay, on number 7, what do you do first?
Add 108 plus 108 plus 72. You'll get 288.
Yeah, number 6 is not 290, it's 295.
Someone lie to me.
How'd you get 295?
Because there's a 5.
There's a 5.
I just crossed it.
Where did
Someone
you,
lied to me.
What 5?
So you got it
At the
right
end of
too, we
55.
got it.
Fix it. So what do I get for my answer on this one?
Why did 50 turn into 55?
65.
65.
That was easy.
Why should-
Okay. Now on 7, when we're adding them all together, what do we get?
288.
288.
We agree on that one?
Yeah.
All right. What do I do after that?
Subtract 360.
And you got 72?
Yeah.
Okay. What is similar between all of these?
You have to subtract the one.
From what?
360.
360 is a very important number. Okay? So remember, all angles in a polygon add up to 360, no matter how many sides it has. Okay, it's always 360. Questions over 6.1? Okay.